Hi guys, on the way kami ngayon sa San Andres Gym Complex. Second game namin ng ASL DOJ Interagency. Laban namin NBI. Kasama nga pala ako ng mga ano ko rito. Ayan o. Baby ko. Ano sigaw mamaya?
Marlon Faustino for the win! Gentry yun ba?
Hindi, naik.
Ito, Ronnie Alante.
Dugout 1. Susi.
Go Faustino! Lipat pa ito. Ulit pa.
Talo, bawi next game. Next game. Tapos na yung game, so ayun, gutom, kain muna kami. Thank you sa mga supporters ko ngayon.
Titulados!
Yes, thank you.
Bola dito to the sharpshooters. An attack from the left side. Getting fouled on that play. That's Faustino.
Especially if you're taking those shots on the 15th game. But now they're facing a big problem against this sharpshooters team.
And the free throw line, really important. It could be a place where their run could start.
Pwede. Oo, totoo yan, no? Especially now that the NBI team is over the limit.
Faustino making 2 free throws.
Yes. Forward pass.
Here we go. Faustino, he's all alone.
Yes. From the defense.
The drive, it's stripped. Arias once again.
Again, the forward pass.
They get it back. Faustino reverses.
Oh, good! With the back-to-back triples by Lou Abad, and also itong ang LRA Titulados getting back in that quarter with those 4.
Fontiveros against the smaller Tacuba. No, but Faustino is there for the stick back.
Oh,